Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Priyendra Kumar and today I will tell you how can you create an attractive attendance tracker in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. I will create some dummy data points to creating the attendance tracker. I am creating employee name, supervisor and present count. The next is absent count and the leave count, and now unplanned percentage, which is my absenteeism percentage, unplanned absenteeism percentage. Okay, so next is the planned percentage, which is my planned leave percentage. Okay, so now I will create this attendance tracker for March 2017. So I am taking the date for the March 2017. Okay, so let's create it. Just fill it right. Okay, 3 more. Perfect. Now we have created the date. Okay, now we'll change the format for date, alt OE and custom format and select DD. So we'll showcase only date. Okay, just auto fit these columns. So now we will wrap text for the headers to make the header width little bit of smaller. Okay, just auto fit the headers for the unplanned, planned, and similarly for the supervisor also. Okay, so now we will create some dummy employee name. I'm taking employee 1 emp1 and just drag it up to the employee 15. Similarly for the supervisor, we'll take supervisor 1, select this and just fill down up to employee 15. Now select take another supervisor, fill down it another 5, and now take the supervisor 3. So there are 3 supervisors available here. Okay, so now we will format this. So first of all I will select this and just border the entire data, change the header colors. Okay, and the font color as white. Fine. Okay, so now we will create a drop down list for the attendance status. So we will take 4 type of attendance status here. One is present, absence, leave and week off. So I'm going to the data validation and list and select the P for present, A for absent, L for leave and WO for week off. Okay, now drop down list has been created. Just look at this. Now drop down list, we created this drop down list by using the data validation. So I have already created one more video in detail to using the data validation. You can check that link in my description and just see that video to learn more about the data validations. Okay, so now data validation has been created. Drop down list is available for marking the attendance, absent, present, leave or the week off. Okay, now I'm just selecting the all the dates. Now we'll highlight the all the Sunday by using the new rule in conditional formatting. So we will use a formula here. just use equal to text and then $1. So we have to highlight the column, that is why we'll take the dollar before the row number. Okay, comma DDD, which is my format for the text, equal to Sunday, SUN, 3 letter only. Okay, then format it as one of the color, whatever you want to highlight. Just now look at the data, all the Sundays has been highlighted now. Okay, so you also can check one more video for conditional formatting. I have created one more video for the conditional formatting. You can check the link from the description to learn more about the conditional formatting. Okay, so now I'm just taking some dummy data, some presents, absents, leaves, to creating some data points actually. Okay, so this is nothing, just dummy data. And in Sundays we will take week off, just copy paste it, another Sunday paste it here and here also. Okay, now we will mark the attendance for the rest of the days. Select, just fill right, fill down and change some attendance here. I'm just taking sample data points. Okay, so whenever you will create your attendance taker to your process or to your office, you will take the actual data. Fine, just copy it, paste it here, and then for the another week, and for this we can take one column from the 25th and just copy and paste it here. Change some data, mark the leave or the absent, present, whatever you want to mark. Okay, fine, now our attendance process is completed. Now we will use the formulas. Okay, so first of all we will highlight the present, absent and the other. So we'll go to the conditional formatting, format cells only, and cell value take equal to. First of all we will take present, then type P and take a color to highlighting the present. So whatever color you will take, the present will be highlighted in that color, and this is the background color for particular cell. Okay, so select anyone and just click OK. Okay, so now look at the data. So all the present has been highlighted with the violet color. Similarly we will take background color for the absent and for the leave. Okay, so now we'll click on new rule, format cells, second, and the equal to, will highlight the leave and type L for leave. Okay, now for click on format, fill it with one of the color. I'm highlighting with blue one. Okay, click OK and take another new rule for the absent. Select format cells, equal to, and then A for absents. Okay, format and absent we will highlight in red, and we also change the format text color, basically font color. So we'll take the font color as white. Now all the absent and the leaves have been highlighted now. Okay, let's check the conditional formatting. It's working. Change from for some more value. Okay, let's make it P. Yeah, so conditional formatting is working now. Now we will use the formula. So we'll use the countif to getting the present count. Select H2 to AL2. Okay, and comma, give the criteria, will take the P. Okay, in inverted comma to count the present. So now we have got the present count, employee wise present count for the entire month. Similarly, we will take the absent count. So we'll use the count if, select range, comma, a criteria, just fill it down, and take leave count also. Similarly, count if and select range, comma, leave L, just fill it down. So now we have got present count, absent count and leave count. Okay, so now we will just freeze it so that we will be able to view the daily attendance properly. So headers and rows had been freezed properly, so we freeze it, select H1, then go to the view, freeze pans and just freeze pans. Okay, so now data has been freezed. So we'll use the formula for the unplanned first. So unplanned means absenteeism divided by total schedule count, which is D divided by total schedules means present plus absent count. So we'll take C2 plus D2 in bracket in the denominator. Okay, so C2 plus D2 will be my denominator. So okay, so now we have put the formula for unplanned. So we change the format as percentage, just fill it down. Similarly, we will use the formula for planned percentage. For planned percentage, we will take leave count divided by denominator will be present plus absent plus leave, the entire population. Okay, we will not take week off in this, rest will take all the data in denominator. Okay, so now our planned and planned is available. Now we will use the conditional formatting in this with the data bars. Okay, to highlight the count basically. So we can use the data bar, select the range, first of all present count, go to the data bar and select one of the data bar, whatever you want color. Okay, so I'm just highlighting with one of the color, we'll take the yellow one. Okay, similarly for highlighting the absent count, go to the data, sorry, for the conditional format, go to the home, conditional formatting, data bar, and will highlight absent with the red color. Okay, red one. Similarly, we will highlight the leave count. Leave count will be highlighted by the blue color. So now highlight the planned percentage. We will highlight the planned percentage. Sorry, unplanned percentage will with the red color, data bar red. This is the absenteeism basically, so we will highlight it with the red one. Red bar. Let me select first, select data bar and click on red. Okay, and take the planned percentage, conditional formatting, data bars and blue one, which is the leave percentage basically. Okay, so now our data is available as present count, absent count, leave count and planned percentage, unplanned percentage. We have freeze the data, use the data validation and the conditional formatting till now. Okay, so now we will format the data. So just go to the view, remove the headings, remove the grid lines and just hide the extra rows. So I have hide the extra rows, hide the extra columns which is not used. Okay, so now we will insert 2 rows above of this and will change the background color for the extra rows and the extra columns. So just first of all we'll change the color for the headers of the data. Just take this one to make it more attractive. Highlight the background color as gray color, and same fill it here, and similarly in this area you can copy this, paste it here. We also can insert one more column in column A. Select column A and change column B as 3. Okay, so just change the same color here, select, change the color, select it again, change the color. Okay, now color has been changed, so our attendance tracker is almost ready. So now we will give another word art here to put the attendance tracker header. Okay, so friends, so far we have used conditional formatting, data validation to creating the left data bars by using the conditional formatting, and conditional formatting to highlighting the Sundays. Okay, so just change the header color is 35 too big, change, take it 25. Perfect. Sorry, there is an spelling mistake. Okay, so now attendance tracker is ready, and now it's looking pretty cool. You can create it, try it. Okay, also can change the word art style. This is not pretty visible. We can take another one, either the or the this one. Okay, this is looking fine now. So we can change the row height also. With row height, change it with the 25. Now it is looking fine. Okay friends, that is how you can create your attendance tracker. Thank you.